stem changing verbs. In the last lesson, we talked about O stem changers, O to UE, and even one verb, jugar, that was U to UE. In this lesson, we're talking about E to IE. Go. Here are 4 E to IE stem changing verbs from your current vocab list. Empezar, to start, to begin. Merendar, to have a snack. Entender, to understand. And querer, to want. So here I've conjugated the verb empezar, to start. Empiezo, empiezas, empieza. Empezamos, empezáis, empieza. Notice I've conjugated it as an AR verb, should be conjugated. Those are the forms. And I have taken the E and I've changed it to IE, except in the nosotros and the vosotros forms. I'm adding one more stem changing verb, the verb tener, which we've also already had in Spanish 1. Is a little bit special for a certain reason. Okay, first of all, tener means to have. We used it in Spanish 1 whenever we talked about our age. Yo tengo 20 años. I have 20 years, or I am 20 years old. So here I've conjugated the verb tener for you, minus the yo form. The reason I haven't done the yo is because that's the reason that tener is special. For some reason, the verb tener in the yo form is conjugated a little strangely. It becomes tengo. You've already been exposed to this verb before from Spanish 1 and you've used it a lot. Yo tengo was in my example a few minutes ago. Yo tengo 20 años. Tengo is for yo. Now in the remainder, tú, the usted, el, ella, and the ustedes, ellos, and ellas forms, they still have the stem change just as expected. And of course, in the nosotros and in the vosotros forms, there is no stem change. Okay, I'm going to add 2 additional stem changing verbs to our list today. We've already had 4. Now I'm adding tener, which you had in Spanish 1, and then the verb venir. Tener, to have, venir, to come. These are both E to IE stem changing verbs, but there's something special about them both. So here you're going to see why these 2 verbs are so special. Yes, they are stem changing verbs. They follow the correct endings. Tener is an ER verb. You'll see it follows the ER endings. You'll see venir is an IR verb and it follows the IR endings. And also in the stem changing, it is E to IE, except for one special area, and that is in the yo. Notice tener in the yo becomes tengo, venir in the yo becomes vengo. So in this lesson we've talked about 6 stem changing verbs. Now in your notes, conjugate all 6 of those verbs in preparation for our next class. Be sure to watch this video a second time and take notes to prepare yourself for class.